Starting your own business can be an exhilarating journey. You get to have all the freedom to set your schedule, all the money you want, and the thrill of being your own boss. But wait a minute. You must have heard all that before, right? Now let's head to the often disclosed section, which no one is willing to tell you. I would tell you, so listen. Entrepreneurship is a whole package full of ups and downs. Yes, you get to be your own boss, but at what cost? It's time to peel back the layers and dive into the often unspoken realities of entrepreneurship. I'm here to shed light on this. So stay tuned as we explore the 7 challenges that arise in the entrepreneurial landscape. I like to call it the dark side of entrepreneurship. If you're serious about stepping into this dynamic world equipped with the right tools for success, you won't want to miss what I'm about to share. Challenge number 7 may just open your eyes to something you hadn't considered. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Challenge number 1. A great product doesn't guarantee success. This is a crucial lesson that many budding entrepreneurs need to grasp. The misconception that a brilliant idea or an outstanding product will automatically translate into market success is a common pitfall. Let me deflate your balloons. It doesn't always happen like that. Even the most innovative products can falter without careful planning and assessment. Have you taken a close look at your target market? Do you have a solid visibility strategy in place? What about perfect timing? These elements are vital. Overlooking them shakes up even the strongest. In these moments of struggle, the allure of entrepreneurship starts to disappear. However, what should keep you going is your desire to scale through, because no one hears of the failed businessman. The one that keeps people talking is the success story. Now, I want to hear from you. What brilliant ideas have you kept under wraps out of fear? Share it in the comments. A solution might be waiting for you. Challenge number 2. Self-doubt and bad thoughts. Entrepreneurs are often faced with much weight, from the decision-making process to the weight of building a team to the successes and failures of the business. This constant thought oftentimes leads to mental struggles and negative thoughts. The consciousness of carrying the whole team on your back, knowing how your decisions affect not just your life, but others, puts a lot of pressure on the hearts of startups, and if not taken care of immediately, might lead to the business crumbling down. Many entrepreneurs experience this firsthand. It's not just about the revenue and growth, it's a landmark between depression and anxiety. But here's the hidden truth. Entrepreneurship isn't just a walk in the park. It's a test of both mental and physical resilience. That's why we're preparing you now to navigate whatever lies ahead. Challenge number 3, the saving mindset. Now let's talk about the saving mindset. Saving is essential, don't get me wrong, but most entrepreneurs do this in excess, often leading to burnouts, which equals a backfire in the business. Entrepreneurs with the saving mindset often focus on cutting costs, avoiding marketing spending, and doing everything independently, eventually leading to stress and burnout. However, prioritizing saving over investing and taking calculated risks only leads to a never-ending cycle of working to pay off debts rather than making money work for you. Not only that, but it also leads to missed opportunities that will later hinder the progress of the business. As an entrepreneur yearning for greatness, you may want to save costs by doing everything on your own and not investing. That only places a strain on you and also prevents the business from reaching greater heights, because the most results happen when big risks are taken. Learn to distinguish between wasteful spending and strategic investment. Your business will be thankful for it. Are you taking notes? All right, let's move on. Challenge number 4. Next up is one of the toughest challenges, building a team. Let's face it, bringing people together, hiring the right talent, training them, and keeping them motivated is no small feat. At this point, many entrepreneurs begin to question their decision to start a business. This section is crucial for a business because it determines its leadership abilities and foundation. It tells who shares your vision and will carry it on if you're absent. It puts a lot of stress on entrepreneurs, posing a great challenge to their workflow because the wrong hire can disrupt the whole business. Instead, you should focus on investing in clear communication, requesting constant feedback, and building a team that shares the same vision and aspiration. Ready for the next challenge? This next challenge is tough for most business owners because it requires more effort. But what's life without a bit of courage, right? Challenge number 5, knowing the competition. Understanding how your competition is doing is also a task to reckon with. In business, staying relevant is key. and understanding what will take your business to a much higher level is challenging. The reality is that sometimes your best ideas might just be someone else's past ideas. This is why you must have studied the market. This gives you a clear stance on where you are. However, this constant need to check in and monitor your competition isn't discussed as much as it should be. It is a heavy duty that keeps most entrepreneurs on their toes. But let me encourage you today by saying you can beat this cycle by focusing on your peculiar value. Rather than seeing your opponent as competition, view them as motivation and use their strategies to identify what you might be missing or where you can improve. Also, have you surveyed your market to ensure your products are recognized as yours alone? Challenge number 6, embracing the downside. Now, let's discuss the reality of every entrepreneur. Setbacks are unavoidable. Avoiding them is like visiting the ocean and hoping not to see any water. It's unrealistic. However, once you understand that failures aren't the opposite of success, you can easily navigate through the challenges. Picture this: you pour weeks of effort into a project, and when it's completed, you lose the deal. Frustrating, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Every successful entrepreneur has faced their share of failures. The choice is yours. You can either let setbacks defeat you, or turn them into opportunities to grow and innovate. And now we find ourselves at the final challenge, a hurdle many entrepreneurs overlook, but an essential one for creating a lasting business. Challenge number 7. There would be many wrongs before a few right. Finally, let's talk about the reality that many aren't prepared for. You will encounter many wrongs before you find a right. So many enter the entrepreneurial world fired up, expecting instant success. But here's the truth. Entrepreneurship often leans more toward challenges than triumphs. It's in these moments that businesses can falter. Once you reach this stage in your business, it's time to stand tall and survive. We call it the dead end. It's either you go all in or opt out. The keen consciousness of knowing that you will get many things wrong before you start getting a few things right sounds too daunting for many business owners. This is why they prefer to leave that section unattended. But you can't always run away from it if you genuinely seek to build that successful business. All the challenges listed here are not to discourage you, but to let you know what entrepreneurship is all about. Like they say, there are no merits without the demerits, right? We've come to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts on the challenges entrepreneurs face that aren't well talked about in the world today. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and follow us for more videos just like this one. We'll return next Sunday with more inspiring and life-changing videos like this one.